Your tax nightmare doesn't have to exist as a content creator. Most creators panic when tax time comes. But it turns out that there are 3 receipt organization methods that the top 1% are using that the rest don't know about. So let's talk about why this matters for your sustained success as a content creator. When you start making money from your content, you're not just posting fun stories or videos anymore. You're running a legitimate business. Think about what happens to your channel when it starts growing and those brand deals roll in. Suddenly you're not just making fun videos. Smart money management becomes the difference between thriving and barely surviving. Governments everywhere are getting serious about content creator taxes. They're specifically targeting digital creators who might not be reporting everything. Most creators I talk to have no system at all for tracking income and expenses. They stuff receipts in shoeboxes or their junk jar and then end up throwing them away. And guess what separates the pros and the amateurs in this new creator economy? And the way that they handle those significant receipts completely transform your business. The content creation has changed dramatically in the recent years. What used to be a hobby can now be a primary source of income. But the shift means that you need to adopt financial habits that established businesses have used for decades. The way that I like to store my receipts are in the Google Drive folder. I'm going to give you 6 steps that you can take to ready for tax time and be organized with your receipts. I'm going to give you 6 steps and I'm going to break them down into hacks. Before you do anything, set up your folder structure. What do I mean by this? First, you're going to want to open your Google Drive. Log into your Google account. You're going to create a main folder. Click the new button and that's going to bring up a folder. Name it something like business receipts for 2025 or something that you'll remember. If you're just beginning, I would say organize them by the year. Inside that folder, you're going to want to create subfolders, which I will break that down as well. So you're going to create subfolders inside that folder. Organize them by month. So if you're just starting, it's best just to keep it as simple as possible. You'll want to store all your receipts in 2025 folder. Now, if you want to go a little deeper, make it by month. You can organize your business receipt 2025 folder into subfolders of months. Step number 2 is digitize your receipts. What do I mean by that? Find apps where you can scan your receipt, use your camera, take a picture of the receipts. Find a app or resource where you can scan your receipts easily, or you could just take a picture. If you're a beginner, I just say advise take a picture or snapshot the receipt on your screen. So step 3, go ahead and rename your files for easy tracking. If you are a beginner, again, I advise just keeping it very simple. 2025 receipts. If you want to go deeper into the rabbit hole, then you would use receipts for August, receipts for January, receipts for May. If you want to go a little deeper, then you could put exactly what that expense was. Supplies. Step 4, and this is optional. Add a description or notes. I have a Google Sheets that I've made for you guys, specifically for content creators, that has where you can track your notes, as well as income, the amount. Step 5, set a day, weekly, monthly task on your calendar. You could put something like, as a reminder, upload receipts to my 2025. Make it fun. Make it to where you get to do this. You get to see the growth of your business because you're keeping track. Make it a fun thing weekly. Wine, music, set the tone. That was actually 5 steps, but that's going to wrap up this video. Click the description below. I have plenty of free resources for you guys from Google Sheets that I set up for a system. And let me know in the comments if this video helped and what else you'd like me to cover.